Everyone, this is Rakesh. This is my third video on Angular tutorial. So in this video, we will see what is data binding in Angular. So let's talk about what is data binding. So data binding means data bind from one component to another component. That means you can bind data from TS file to view file like HTML file. So let's like here you can see app.component.ts. This is a TypeScript file, and here you can see app.component.html. This is the view file, like template file. So you can bind data from ts file to template file, HTML file. That is called data binding, right? So let's talk about types of data binding. So there are two types of data binding. First is one-way data binding, one-way data binding, and second is two-way data binding, right? Two-way data binding. So if I talk about what is one-way data binding, so one-way data bindings bind data only one way. Like you can bind data ts file to template file. That is called one-way data binding. So let's how many types of one-way data binding. So if I talk about interpolation is a kinds of data binding. Interpolation and properties binding, properties property binding, and event binding, and also attribute binding. So these are the types of one-way data binding. And if I talk about what is two-way data binding, so two-way data binding communication between each other. Like if I talk about inside ts file, so ts file you can bind data from ts file to html, and also you can bind data html to ts file. That is called two-way data binding. So in this video we will cover what is interpolation and how to create interpolation, how to make with the help of interpolation. So let's start with real project. So first of all, before I'm going to start how to create interpolation, so interpolation is just a kinds of one-way data binding. So whenever we will use interpolation, you have to use a double curly bracket. That means double curly bracket. This is a symbol of interpolation, right? So let's start. First of all, we have to create properties. Like, so I want to create properties like a name, and this name I want to set string types and value of this name like Rakesh. Okay, this properties name we have to use inside template file. So inside h1 tag I will use interpolation and paste properties name, right? I will save, and now open the browser with the port number 8000, localhost 8000. Now here you can see output of this project. So this is a very simple way you can perform any, like you can perform ternary operator, and you can also perform any expression like if I want to add of two number, I want to addition of two numbers. So how to do it? You can perform any mathematical expression like can write something like 2 plus 2. Now here you can see the output is here. So these are the very basic thing. You can also perform JavaScript method like you can, I want to know what is the length of this properties, so I will use length properties in length. And now here you can see the length of this property is 6. And you can also perform if I want to this properties I want to convert into uppercase, you can easily write uppercase method like name dot to uppercase. You have already know in TypeScript, sorry, JavaScript, to upper case, right? Now here you can see the output is here. So these are the very basic things. If I talk about how to use ternary operator, so I will create one properties. So like if I talk about any status of user, so this status properties we will use boolean value because it will return true or false. I will use true. So these properties we will like return a true value. If this value will return true value, then I want to display the, if this value will return true, then here display the online, right? So how to do it? So first of all I will use these properties status. This status is true, then it will return online, right? And otherwise this properties will return false value, then it will print offline, simply, right? Now here you can see I think I getting some error. Status, I think having some, so I am missing something here. Okay, so this is I think I am missing this double course because it is also known as string interpolation. Whenever we will use string, so it will return string value. Now here you can say, and let's say if I want to return false value, so what will happen? Now here you can see this is offline. If I want to change this value uh, when we click on any button, so how to do it? So I will create one method. Inside this method we will return something like this dot status equal to false, and here I will return true value, and this properties I will use on button tag, right? I will use inside button tag. and here button name is change, and we will use another binding, data binding like click event. So don't worry, we will discuss about click event binding. So I will put all of those method. So now here you can see, whenever we will click on this button, now here you can see the online is automatically changed in offline. Now here you can see. So these are the very basic things how to create interpolation. And there is one thing like if you want to use any images with the help of interpolation, so you can easily use. So first of all, I will take one URL, let's say Angular icon. I will take one URL of image. This image I will put copy of URL of image address, and I will put like image inside this image. I will put in string. So after that I will use these properties inside template file image, right? And I will save and go inside HTML. So I will use image tag, and inside image tag we will use inside interpolation of those property. And you can write something in alt like Angular icon, okay, and the close of this value. Now save. Now here you can see on the display. So if you want to use any image by using interpolation, then you can easily use. If I want to change this image with the help of this button, so first of all I will take another URL like black. So this image address I will use inside HTML.ts. I will use like I can write image one. Inside this image one I will put those link, and this image one I will use inside. I will copy and paste. So like if I want to change of this icon with the help of button, so how to do it? So first of all I will go inside HTML ts file, and we will create one another method like change image. Inside this properties method we will return uh, this dot image equal to this dot image one. These properties I will use inside another button. You can use inside this method, but I want to I want to use separately. So I will create another button, and inside this button I will use click event binding. Whenever we will click on this button, it will change a Angular icon, right? change image, and I will save. I think having some error. What is error? change one, and here I will okay, sorry, I will never use inside interpolation symbol in click event. I will just separately paste those method name, and I will again save. Okay, again I getting some error. So what is error? We will use the same properties, same method name, image, right? Okay, so this is perfect. Now if whenever we will click on this button, now here you can see the image is automatically changed. This, so this is a very basic things, how to create interpolation. If you have any questions, you can put on my comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks, and we will see in next video what is properties binding and what is click binding. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.